Shut up.
That's what we're doing apparently.
That's not how you do it. Okay, okay. So we're playing a game, okay? So welcome to
What's it called?
the open-eyed sneezing challenge. Dum dum dum. The basis of this game is simple. You take a little tissue paper, tickle a nose, and try to sneeze. And when you sneeze, you have to keep your eyes open. And whoever wins,
So whoever keeps the eyes open.
whoever wins gets lots of love from people commenting. Make sure you send love. Okay. That is not how you tickle your nose. So what you do, you take a piece of tissue paper, you scrunch it up this way.
What the? That's like
You scrunch it all the way up.
Oh, gross.
You go into your nose and you tickle it. I'll start first and see if I can actually sneeze. I'm not even
Oh my god, I don't know what it is. It's so gross. Oh my god, this is so fair.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. It's not.
I think we're doing it for each other. That's when it'll work.
I'm not tickling your freaking nose.
Well, isn't that the challenge?
Tickle it. Find that spot. There's always a spot.
A spot. Let's try it. Pepper.
Ooh.
Oh! Okay, you do it first.
You do it first.
Bread.
He ran away.
Just put a pepper
Oh
there.
gosh.
So I can see it. I can smell pepper now.
This is so gross.
Are we going down the back of my nose?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Wait, I can do this.
Oh shit.
Oh man.
That's a lot. One by one now. You snorted it.
Why did you snort the pepper? It's all tickle.
Oh, it's so tickling.
It's going down my throat.
Oh man, it just came out of nowhere.
I can't do it.
Just punch her in the face.
Ready?
No. Well, it's not gonna help when you're both staring at me. Like,
This has been Dish's nose.
I know. What do I have to do? Cannot. It just goes down.
You failed? But you failed.
I failed.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Looks like Yvonne can't do it, so. Well, we have 2 seconds. Did you keep your eyes open?
Yeah.
Do you know if you did? We'll have video footage to prove that. And if you enjoyed that challenge, stay tuned. Well, while we organize ourselves and get the pepper out of my nose for a new video, maybe next week, about the trip here to the US. This is Tish. This is Yvonne.